Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading Corp. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a very nice laboratory or pilot size homogenizing mixer. It's made by Greerco. It is the 2L model. It's the second in their laboratory series, a slightly larger size. It's operating on 120 volt. As you can see, it has a very nice portable stainless steel stand. We're using that small container to demonstrate. It also has a power lift system, which you can see right here. And of course that will go down. You can also remove the control as you want to lower the mixer. It has an automatic stop at the top of the cycle and of course at the bottom. Underneath the mixer, fully raised, it has a 19 inches of clearance under the head, and that is the exact measurement. So if your container is 19.5, don't think you'll get it in there. As I mentioned, we're operating on 120 volt. It does have variable speed. They're running it through a Greerco speed controller. We're going to slowly turn that up for you. So this allows you a full range of variable speed. The mixer is powered by a 1/2 horsepower. The motor by Baldor reaches a maximum RPM of 7,500. The mixer also has the umbrella plate, which is adjusted here from the small catch right here, and that covers the bottom of the homogenizing head, allows a different flow pattern. Of course, you see here your adjustable deflector plate. You can see it right there. We don't want to raise that above the fluid level. That'll cause a little splashing. And of course, once again, you have a full range of speeds to operate at any speed you choose. We have lots of homogenizing mixers in our stock, so I do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. We have nearly 3,000 items in our stock, so we do hope to hear from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.